is about as exciting as it's gonna get. It's almost midnight. Still not that tired. I should keep a diary. Or like a log. Like a captain's log. You know? Like I'm a sailor. I'm a captain. What? Maybe I need to go to bed. It's a really good banana.